In the previous video, we learned about user persona. Now, in this video, we are going to do an activity where we will create some user personas for different brands. Whether it is a pizza delivery service, a pet grooming salon, or a toy store, we will think about who their customers are and what they might need for a website or app. So, get ready and dive into it.
Now guys, in this video, we are going to conduct a small activity, and that is creating user persona for our business as well as the businesses around us. And the aim of this activity is to get a practical idea about creating personas, right? Now in the next slide, we'll see like how you can create a persona, right? Here I have mentioned who is Marketing Funda's perfect customer. And guys, if you don't know what is this Marketing Fundas, basically Marketing Fundas is an agency. It is marketing agency, and along with that, we teach digital marketing to the people who want to become digital marketer in future, right? So mainly we do have two streams. The first one is our marketing agency, and the second one is institute where we teach digital marketing, right? So obviously, according to those streams, you need to create multiple personas, and here I have created a persona for the institute one where I have given the name and the photo of a random image to this persona. Basically, I have picked up this image from Canva and I have given the name, the random name, right? After this, you can write all the points that suits your ideal customer. Like he is 18 to 35 years old, he lives in India, he speaks Hindi or English language, watches multiple YouTube channel based on digital marketing, right? Then uses phone multiple times in a day, then already has interest in digital marketing. And here I have mentioned one more point, have very basic or less than basic knowledge about digital marketing. So this is our kind of a perfect or exact customer when we talk about our institute part, right? Now here I haven't mentioned about the gender. So what you can do is you can create multiple personas for your business, like for the male and the female differently, right? And in the same way, I can create persona for my another business model, that is marketing agency, right? And according to these personas, you can create your product or you can design your product in future, right? Now, as I created this persona for my business, in the same way, you have to create a persona for your business or for different businesses around you. Like in the next slide, I'll show you, I have created one more persona for Amazon's Audible, right? Audible is a platform where you can listen thousands of popular books. And here I have mentioned the point that suits the perfect customer of Amazon's Audible, right? Like love to read, busy life doesn't have time to sit and read anymore, want to escape, expand horizon, loves not only particular authors but also particular narrators and genres, uses a smartphone multiple times in a day, has an Amazon Prime account already, extended time period during the day when they can listen a book, but have to be hands free, such as commute to work. So these are the points which I have mentioned or which define Amazon Audible's perfect customer. So in the same way, you need to create personas for multiple businesses so that you can become master of it and you can get the practical knowledge about creating personas, right? So this is activity 1. Now that's it. Leave this class here and start creating personas.
I hope you liked the content. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Also, I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.